Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to transfer Solana from ByBit to Phantom Wallet. Open the ByBit app on your phone, go to the Assets tab at the bottom, and then tap Withdraw. First, you need to set up your account and tap Set up Google Authentication. Then, enter the security verification code from your email address. Tap Continue, copy the given key, and add it to Google Authenticator. After adding the code, it will set up successfully. In the Assets tab, go to Withdraw and select your preferred pair. Search for Solana and select it from the list. Next, you have to input the withdrawal address here. Now, open the Phantom app and go to the Receive button. Select Solana and copy the address. Paste this address to the ByBit app and enter the amount. After that, tap Withdraw to transfer Solana. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.